Hello, we're Merging Technologies. My name is Jeremy. I'm a product manager and a sales engineer for the company. What we're showing here is the Ovation solution. This is an audio sequencer and a show controller. Now, a show just cannot stop. Reliability is key, right? So not only do we provide a solution that allows to trigger any audio sequence to be played on a system of the show, but we can also control every devices in the venue with utmost reliability. So very basically, you can create queues into the software that can trigger another one when they finish, or you can nest queues into another one. So when you launch one queue, it can fire a forest of animals. You can also organize your queues as just buttons that you can push, or you can do very complex sequences behind a very simple user interface. For example, here we have a couple of queues that allows an operator to run a whole show that can control, so not only the audio, but also video server, a lighting system, fireworks, anything really. So we support serial commands, GPI, GPO, IP. We support OSC, so we can send sounds to a 3D renderer such as the Flux, and so we can control their panning automation from our software. As I was saying, for the utmost reliability, we also provide the software with machines, if you want, which are bump tested, and we can have multiple machines mirroring each other, so if one fails, the other one takes over. And our clients are typically massive theme parks. We have huge shows. We do 3D sound, any sampling rate. We can have live inputs coming into the system as well. We can control it from a screen like this, or from a dedicated remote that we make, or also from any tablet or any web page, any device. So then that's us. You can find more details on www.merging.com and reach out to us anytime.